Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make a very delicious and very easy Indian dessert, carrot halwa. This is the perfect dessert for your parties and to load up your festive table. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a big pan. Once the ghee is hot, add 2 tablespoons of sliced cashew nuts. Roast them for a few seconds till they turn golden brown. Then remove the cashews from the pan. Now into the same pan of ghee, add 500 grams of grated carrots. Sauté them in low flame for around 5 minutes, till they change color and becomes a little soft. Now add 2 cups, that is 500 milliliters of milk. Cook in medium flame till the milk boils. Once the milk starts boiling, reduce the flame to low and cook till almost all the milk is evaporated. This could take around half an hour. You have to give the carrot a good mix every few minutes. Now most of the milk has evaporated. You can see now there is barely any milk left. Now add half a cup of sugar. After adding sugar, the halwa would get watery again. Cook this for a further 15 minutes or until it thickens. Add 3 to 4 cardamons, or you may use 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now the halwa has got very thick and has started leaving the sides of the pan. Add only 1 tablespoon of the roasted cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of almonds, and 1 tablespoon of raisins. The rest I will be using to garnish later. Finally add 1 tablespoon of ghee and cook for around 3 minutes in low flame. Garnish with the rest of the nuts and raisins. This delicious carrot halwa can be served right away, even when it's a little warm. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.